G'day and welcome back to our weekly Q&A where I answer your burning baking questions. Because it is World Biscuit Day today, I've got a question from a past student of mine who did my Science of Baking online course, and it was around biscuit spreading and more specifically shortbread biscuits. And Amanda asked, why do my biscuits sometimes spread? So there's two main reasons. Firstly, when you're creaming your butter and sugar, if you over cream it, you incorporate too much air. And that air, when it goes into the oven, will eventually expand with the heat and causing your biscuits to spread. So that's one reason. The other reason is that if your dough gets too soft, and this could be related to over creaming your butter and sugar, but it also could be over mixing or overworking it. So there's two solutions to prevent your biscuits from spreading anymore. One is to just keep a really close eye on when you're creaming your butter and sugar, and make sure that you only cream it until it comes together and it starts changing colour rather than becoming pale and creamy. The other way to help this is to, once you've shaped or cut out your shortbread biscuits, what you can do is just chill them on their trays before you bake them. And I would recommend chilling them for at least 30 minutes before you do that. So hopefully that has helped you, especially if you're having problems with spreading shortbread biscuits. I'll be here again next week answering your questions. So if you do have any questions, pop them in the comments box below. Happy World Biscuit Day. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.